This is what happened when your dog wheezing. This is when he's allergic to smoke. My dog's allergic to smoke. So when he was outside, he just came back in. And because of winter, there's a lot of smoke. And it must have caught him on his, the smoke particles. So if you have the same thing, see how he behaved? Benny, open your mouth. Open your mouth. You have to learn how to open your mouth. Make him open his mouth. Come here. Open your mouth. You have to learn how to open your mouth. If he licks something, like give him milk or cream, and what happened if he open his mouth, he won't wheeze like that no more. It's because of particles get caught in his nose. I believe that's what it is, and that's because of the shape of the nose. It got caught there, and I think that's how it works. I'm not sure how it works or whatever, but that's how I found out. Anytime he goes outside with wood particles, wood smoke, anytime someone's lighting up their fireplaces, because we live in New Hampshire, and a lot of people use like pellet stove. And if we used to actually have pellet stove, now we actually light with gas, but we had pellet stove, and that's what happened to him too, and that's how I found out. Benny, look. So anyway, that's how that works. So if you see your dog like that, wheezing and can't breathe, that's the common cause of it. And I'm glad I caught it on camera. I wanted to actually make this video for a long time, to help someone if they have a problem like that. The remedy for that is just that you need to get a bowl of milk or cream, if you have cream or milk, and that way it let him open his mouth. He doesn't know how to open his mouth. He should know how to open his mouth, but he doesn't. During that time, I don't know if it freaks him out or what, but he closes his mouth. He's supposed to open his mouth so he can breathe through his mouth, but he doesn't. So anyway, so the trick to that is to let him drink cream or milk, or his favorite drink if you have it. See, he hears the word cream and milk. You want some milk? Huh? Okay, I'll get you some. Anyway, that's the remedy for that. I'm going to end this video. So if you have that problem with your dog, remember that, okay?